The Commissioner of Mayom County, United States, Chol Galwak Manime, is reported missing following a vicious attack on his residence Thursday night. A government official in the state confirmed the attack to iRadio without giving further details. But the rebel group, the South Sudan People Movement, led by the formerly demoted SSPDF General Stephen Buay Rolnyaang, claimed responsible for the attack. The chairman and the commander-in-chief of the SSPM-SSPA congratulated the gallant force of SSPA for capturing Mayom town in United States. Details of the casualties are still unknown, and we will keep you updated.